Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is LaToya Ebony. We do fashion, beauty, lifestyle over here. And I would like to share with you guys a massive haul. There's a lot of stuff here, so stay tuned. I love you like la 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 la. Honest Beauty came out with a gift set. It's called Sparkle All the Way Eye Kit. There's an extreme length mascara as well as a cream shadow. And this is very cool packaging, in particular for the mascara, because one end it has the typical lengthening mascara that you see, but also on the other end is a primer, a base, so you can really achieve that length and thickness. I really love primers, and sometimes I just forget to use them, but because it's all in one package, this is brilliant, and you really can't go wrong. Like, this is a great color for pretty much anyone. I've used colors like this in the past for the eyeshadow, so it's just easy. You can use your fingers if you want. I love this idea. There's also another mascara that I received that also has the same design, primer and then mascara, and this one has the Va Voom brush to it. Like, it's a big brush, and this one's supposed to give you more volume. Correction, extreme volume. So I'm very excited to give this a go as well. Okay, we've got to move on. Physician Formula's Butter Blush in the shade Mauve Matte. Now, I love a good matte. I pretty much only wear matte blushes these days. Maybe a little some if I really want that summer glow, but I keep it to mattes. This is the Clarins Water Lip Stain. Now, I'm very excited about this. It has a brush applicator, and it's a very kind of like water-based stain. It kind of reminds me of when we were kids and we would take like the Kool-Aid packets and then like put the red color on your lips to get it stained. That's what this reminds me of. So it's bringing back nostalgia, but you do definitely want to make sure you exfoliate before you use this, because this will reveal all of the imperfections and the crust. So exfoliate first. E.L.F. Beauty is in the house. Oh, this is another cream eyeshadow. This has a doe foot applicator, not exactly doe foot, but close enough. Cream, a very similar color as the Honest Beauty, but I believe it's a little lighter. This shade is called Comet, and this is the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. And so as you can see, you kind of have to dip in a little bit to get it out, but it does feel very smooth and in line with the kind of primers I typically buy. And E.L.F. is always very affordable. Real Techniques Everyday Essential Brushes. I haven't got new brushes in years. I'm very excited about this. We have a blush brush, 2 sponges, a deluxe crease brush, a setting brush. It must be a foundation brush in here. Ah, yeah, it must be this one right here. These things feel very soft. That I can say. So it'd be really cool giving the Real Techniques a shot and throwing this one away. I have some Laneige products. I hear good things about them all of the time. They gave me 3 different lip glowy balms. So there's Gummy Bear, and then there's Peach. I just have a 3rd Gummy Bear, and these go on very smoothly. I've actually been using them for the past like 3 days, and they also are not sticky, you know? It has a little tint of color, you know, matching the color of the packaging, but they go on smooth. They are not sticky at all, and they keep that little gloss on your lips. Like, these are going in every handbag, okay? They're good. I have been hearing amazing things about the lip sleeping masks. They come in a it's like 0.70 ounces, but for something that goes on your lips, they are huge. They feel like an elevated Vaseline. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, that's the feeling that you're gonna get, that sort of, you know, but it doesn't feel as suffocating. I don't know how to explain it. So I have 3 different ones. The first one is vanilla, and let me smell it. Ooh, vanilla and cream, you guys. This is really delicious smelling. I'm a vanilla girl, So I'm excited about that. This one is called Sweet Candy. And yes, it does smell like candy. Very sweet candy. These are basically just like really thick masks to go on your lips before you go to bed, and you're supposed to wake up with hydrated feeling lips. The third scent is berry. Winter, summer, spring, it doesn't even matter, to be honest. Like, everyone needs a good nourishing overnight. And you guys know that I am into nails lately, and so I've got another red nail polish. This one's from OPI, and it is the color Big Apple Red. And this was totally a coincidence. Didn't know I was gonna get this. I love red nail polish, as you can see. I also love the neutrals as well, don't get me wrong. But there's just something about the glamour of red that's just, oof, so good. So yes, a regular nail lacquer from OPI, and we all know that that's a great brand. We have a little hair care. This is the Orbi Obsessed Set. The brand is Orbi. I hope I'm saying that right. And they gave us 3 hair care products. So this is the Repair and Restore Shampoo Gold Lust, the Gold Lust Repair and Restore Conditioner, and this is a texturizing spray, dry texturizing spray. Like, I don't know about the texturizing spray. Like, I have enough texture, so this may not be the product for me. But the shampoo and conditioner, let's smell it. What does it smell like? It's floral. This is floral, and this is, oh, this has more of a fruity kind of smell to it. Maybe I'm getting the scent wrong. Anyway, excited to give this a try. This is another hair product. It is the Wow Color Wow Dreamcoat Supernatural Spray. It magically transforms texture. Amazing humidity proofing powers. Those of you who are always talking about frizz and whatnot, apparently this is something that goes over your hair. You do it every 3 or 4 shampoos, and it's supposed to block out the frizz. For those of you who are nervous about that, I get it. It might be worth a try. Maybe in the summertime. That is so cute. So at the workshop, we were working in front of mirrors here, so they gave this to us. It's like a tray that I think I'm actually gonna keep on my desk. Oh, this is so cute to put like your jewelry or something there. I love this. It matches with my desk, it's white. And then also they gave us this mirror, and from what I remember, this mirror it's a touchscreen mirror. So it has a, oh, this is, I gotta find this on Amazon. Where, I don't even know, and it charges with the USB in the back. That is cool. I have no idea where this is from. There's no brand name or anything on it, but if I can find it, I will link it below. I will talk to you later. Mwah.